Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I want to talk about the most important thing about composition. As a photographer and a videographer, I think I've learned one or two things about composition over the years, about how it can make or break your shots. So let's get started and dive in. First and foremost, the most important thing about composition is your subject. That's right, your subject is key. It's the key element of your shot, and everything else should revolve around it. When you compose your shot, think about how to place your subject in a way that makes it the center of attention. Not necessarily the center of a picture, but the center of attention. Whether it's using the rule of thirds, leading lines, or framing, you want to make sure that your subject is going to stand out. Now let's talk about the rule of thirds. This is a kind of fundamental guideline of composition that divides your shot into thirds, both horizontally and vertically. By placing your subject at one of the intersections of those lines, you create a more balanced and pleasing composition. But don't be afraid to break the rules. There are times when placing your subject dead center, for instance, could create a powerful effect. Next, leading lines are a great way to lead your viewer's eye towards your subject. This could be anything from a road, maybe a fence, even a person's arm, whatever it may be. Make sure it's leading towards where you want people to look. And lastly, framing is a great technique that can help create a sense of depth, add interest to your shot. Now this could be a natural framing, such, I don't know, as a window or doorway, or using objects in the foreground. So in conclusion, the most important thing about composition is to focus on your subject. By using techniques like the rule of thirds, like leading lines, and like framing, you can create a more balanced and visually pleasing composition. So next time you're out shooting, remember, making your subject the star of the show is key, and think about those three elements and whether they are available in your picture. Thanks for watching today. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, remember to give me a thumbs up or a subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. It all helps me to grow. Hey, thanks for watching.